Welcome back to Trivia Quiz Arena. You've probably seen these animals in real life, but can you actually name them? Let's begin with easy level. You see this little animal running across your yard climbing trees. Squirrel. They can remember hundreds of hiding spots for food. This masked animal often visits trash cans at night. Raccoon. They're surprisingly intelligent problem solvers. Nice start. This graceful animal is often seen grazing near neighborhoods. Deer. They can jump up to 8 feet high. This small animal loves carrots and hops around gardens. Rabbit. They can see nearly all the way around their bodies. This black and white animal has a powerful defense system. Skunk. They can spray up to 10 feet away. Careful with that one. This clever predator sometimes wanders near suburbs. Fox. They're active mostly at night. This bright blue bird is loud and very territorial. Blue jay. They can mimic the calls of hawks. Now it gets a little trickier. This nocturnal animal is known for playing dead. A possum. That behavior is actually involuntary. This tiny striped rodent collects food in its cheeks. Chipmunk. They can store a surprising amount of seeds. Pretty impressive. This bright red bird stands out in winter. Cardinal. They don't migrate during cold seasons. Quick check. How many have you gotten right so far? Keep your score in mind. This bird pecks at trees to find insects. Woodpecker. They have shock-absorbing skulls. This animal builds dams in rivers. Beaver. They can completely reshape small streams. This large bird is often seen near open fields. Wild turkey. They can actually fly short distances. Not everyone knows that. Let's move to the hard level. This animal looks like a dog, but lives in the wild. Coyote. They've adapted incredibly well to cities. This wildcat is smaller than a mountain lion. Bobcat. They're rarely seen during the day. This bird hunts at night and turns its head almost all the way around. Owl. Their silent flight makes them excellent hunters. This bird of prey soars high above open land. Hawk. They have extremely sharp vision. This animal is famous for predicting the weather in February. Groundhog. That tradition started in the 1800s. This highly intelligent blackbird often travels in groups. Crow. They can recognize human faces. Pretty smart. This large bird is often seen near ponds and lakes. Goose. They migrate in a V formation. How did you do? Count up your score. If you got more than 15, you definitely know your backyard wildlife. If you enjoyed this quiz, stick around. More challenges coming soon.